Okay, so welcome back. And so in this video, short video here, we're just going to talk about solving linear equations when there are like terms on the same side of the equation. Okay, so first of all, we know what like terms are from previous videos. So we know how to combine like terms, but when we're dealing with an equation, we got to make sure that we put the we combine like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign. Okay, so if they're not on the same side, if you notice that there are like terms but they're on opposite sides of the equal sign, we have to move one of them to the same side, right? So if we're isolating the x variable or whatever the variable may be, remember we're moving everything to one side. So then once we move everything to one side, there may be, and most likely will be, like terms on the one side. So then you want to make sure you combine those, okay? So especially if it's the variable term and you are trying to get all the variables to one side of the equal sign, right? So sometimes you'll have like terms that involve that variable. So then what you'll do is you'll have to combine those like terms with the same variable. And then what you'll have to do is then you'll have to isolate that variable by using either multiplication or division, okay? So here's the thing. You've got to, in order to solve an equation in one variable, right, you've got to move the variables. Any term that has the variable in it must be moved to one side of the equal sign and then combine those like terms, okay? So here's the steps, okay? Basically reiterating what I just said. So you're going to combine like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign. And then once you do that, then you're going to multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of the coefficient, or divide both sides by the coefficient of the variable term, okay? And that's it. So let's do some examples, see how this looks.